Why you need motivation. Ever feel stuck? That's where motivation comes in. It's the spark that ignites action, turning dreams into reality. Motivation fuels perseverance, pushing you to conquer obstacles. It turns I can't into I will. It's not just about achieving goals, it's about personal growth. Motivation propels you to learn, change, and evolve. Remember, motivation isn't a one-time thing. It needs constant nurturing. So, keep feeding your mind with positive thoughts. In essence, motivation is your personal cheerleader, rooting for you every step of the way. Embrace it and watch your world change.